In this video, we will be finding the surface area of a rectangular prism. Here I have a box that I need to go mail off to someone, but when I get to the post office, I need to wrap this box, which is a rectangular prism, in order to get it to where I need it to go. When I get there, there are several rolls of paper there, and I have to choose which roll best fits the amount of wrapping paper that I will need. So in the midst of me understanding that, I have to calculate the surface area, which is the area of all of these surfaces or all of the faces within this box. There's a front and a back, there's a right and a left, and then there's a top and a bottom. Once I find the area to all 6 of those faces, I will then get the correct size wrapping paper that is needed. Here I drew a rough sketch of this box that I will be wrapping. On the paper here, this is 7 inches. This is going to be 3 inches. And then here is going to be 9 inches. First thing I need to do is to identify my length, my width, and my height. This is going to be my height. This is going to be my width. And the 7 is going to be my length. So now that I have that identified, I want to make sure that I understand the formula that's needed. Surface area is when I take this front face, which is my length times my height, I'm going to multiply that by 2 because the front face and the back face, or the front of the box and the back of the box, has the same area. Then I have the left and the right, which are 2 more faces with the same dimensions, which is going to be my width times my height. And then I'm going to finally add my 2 top and bottom faces. And in order to find the area here, I could look at the base down here. It's going to be my length times my width. Now that I have that, I do want to make sure that I do not get this confused. So as I fill in the numbers, so this will be my front and back. This right here will be my left and right. And this will be my top and bottom. Only thing I need to do now is to go fill in the formula with the correct dimensions. So my surface area is equal to 2 faces that looks just like the front, which is my length times my height, which is 7 times 9, plus 2 faces that's my left and my right, which is my width times my height, which is 3 times 9, plus 2 faces that represents my top and the bottom of my box, which will be 7 times 3. Surface area is the same as 2 faces that has the area of 63 square units, plus 2 faces that's 27 square units, and in this case the units are inches. I'm going to add that at the end, plus 2 faces that are 21 square units. Okay, surface area is the same as now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and multiply these out and then add them up, and now give me my total surface that needs to be covered. So 2 times 63 is 126, plus 2 times 27 is going to be 54, plus 2 times 21 is going to be 42. When I add my 54 plus my 42 plus my 126 together, that's going to give me the total surface, and that's going to be equal to 222 or 222 square units, and in this case my units are inches. So when I go over to the store, to the shelf, and I start picking up the packages of wrapping paper to figure out which one will best give me the amount that's needed without having extra, I'm going to try to find the one that's closest to 222 square inches, or I can go one step further and convert that to square feet. Today, in this video, we found the surface area of a rectangular prism.